Hello guys, welcome to Sigma Tech. Today I am going to show you how to remove any IC, whether it's a normal IC or IO controller, very easily. So just watch the video, you will learn how you can remove ICs easily. So guys, here is the IO controller and we are going to remove it. The first thing what you need to understand is this has been soldered by using lead free technology. That means we need a higher temperature to remove this IC. So what we do is we apply some flux here and then we apply the lead based soldering, okay, on the legs of this IC. So it will be easier to remove it because it requires less temperature. So we will do that first. And to remove this you must have proper tools like soldering iron, like soldering station iron. So here we have applied flux and now lead based solder. So this is the iron I am using it. As you can see, it's a D12 solder station. It's cheaper and easier to use. So you can see I am just applying all across the legs this solder wire. And now just apply some flux and start removing. Keep your tweezer notch one of the corners at one of the corners of the controller and then apply hot air all across the IC. Keep rotating. One thing you have to remember is you have to keep in mind where is the main pin, where is the pin number 1. There is a marking on the board as well as on the IO controller. And you have to keep the air exactly what is the requirement, based on requirement. Now you can see we have removed the controller and we are going to clean up this controller and put it back again on the same place. So here we will clean the pad. Clean this area by using cotton or airbud. Now you can see it, it's all smooth. If there is any roughness, just clean once more. So it is almost ready and now it's time to clean the controller. You can see there are lead particles across the pins. Now we have to clean it carefully. Just apply some flux. Make sure you clean the tip of the iron, otherwise you may not be able to remove the lead properly. So okay guys, it is ready now. Just we have to clean it. We will clean it applying thinner or IP, and we'll use brush. And now you can see the IC is ready to be used. So now we will apply some flux on the board. Okay, so we applied the flux. Now we will put the IC back, and here is the marking, and in the IC it is here. So we will place it here. If you have a microscope, you can use microscope, and if you don't have microscope, you can use your hands. And then you can do it. So I have a microscope, so I am using the microscope. First we need to align the legs of the IC with the pads. Once you are sure, just leave as it is, and now apply some heat. Slowly. Make sure you not blow the IC itself. Just apply some light heat so that one of the side of the IC gets soldered. And then keep your tweezer on the IC, and after that you apply heat all across the IC. So now our controller has been soldered. Now it's time to apply the solder again. So here is the main thing, and here you have to do it carefully. You have to apply the lead on all of its legs, and then drag the iron on the surface of the controller pad. So okay guys, it has been soldered properly. Now let's clean it and check it out if you have done it properly. So you can see guys, all the pins are properly soldered exactly the way we needed. Okay, so this is how we do IC replacement.